Hey Naturals, ShallayBeNatural here. In this video, I'll be testing out the Curls, Cashmere, and Caviar collection. I shampooed my hair using the Cashmere and Caviar hair bath off camera. It didn't strip my hair, which I really loved. And now I'll be using the Cashmere and Caviar hair mask to deep condition. As you can see, it's super thick. As I applied it to my hair, I noticed my knots and tangles were melting away. Keep in mind, I finger detangled before using the Mixed Chicks powder brush to further detangle. Here I'm just showing you guys how easy it was for the brush to glide through my hair. And I had to give y'all a little close up and a little slow-mo to show you guys what my curls were looking like with this hair mask. This is the first hair mask I used that defined my curls. So I'm gonna pin up this last section and finish the other side off camera. Okay, I'm back and I wanted to show you again what my hair looked like before I throw on my hot head cap. I'm going to leave this mask on for 30 minutes before I wash it out. So here I'm going to use the Hair Silk, which is the leave-in conditioner, and it smells super good. It smells like candy and like fruits. Like, I spent the whole time smelling products so I could try to figure out like what the smell was, and I still can't. So it is what it is. But I'm applying the product from my roots to my tips while finger detangling to prevent any knots. And then I'm gonna apply the hair jelly, and I've never used a jelly in my hair before. It's not like a regular gel. It's not like super thick. It was super lightweight, which I really loved. And while I was taking the braids out, I didn't notice any flakes in my hair, which was even better because I usually get that using a gel. But overall, this was really good, and it's definitely going to be a staple. And here's the hair serum. The hair serum was actually pretty thick, and here I used a lot, but you really don't need that much, so a little goes a long way. So I'm gonna brush my hair so I can get all my strands covered, and then I'm gonna throw it up into the same braids. I know y'all looking at my kitchen in the back, but it's gonna be covered anyways, and I wasn't trying to fight with it, so it was not going into that braid. So I'm gonna show you guys again what the process I did was, and I'm gonna do the rest of my hair off camera. So again, I used the Hair Silk. And I'm moving it from roots to ends, making sure I coat all my strands. Apply the hair gel. And then the hair serum to seal in the moisture. Then take a brush and make sure that all your strands are coated with the product. And then just throw it into a braid. While I was doing this, I made sure that I didn't like part my hair using a comb. I actually parted my hair using my fingers because I don't really like straight parts when I'm doing like a braid out or a twist out, because then you have all these gaps in your hair. So you can do that if you want to, but I was not about to do that. So, and also make sure your sections for when you're braiding is equal, because as I got to the bottom I realized I had to twist my hair because, you know, I ran out of hair going down the ends. So yeah, so I'm on this last section and I'm showing you guys what that looks like in the front. I noticed while I was braiding that I had used too much product on that one section, but it's okay. Like I said, you don't have to, depending on what your sections look like and I guess how thick your hair is. The front of my hair is a lot looser and everything else in the back is thicker, so I used more product, but I didn't think about what that would be like in the front of my head. So as you can see, my parts aren't straight or anything, but I just threw on a satin scarf and went to bed. Alright, so it's the next day and I'll be using the hair serum to take down my braids. I'm going to put a little bit on my fingers and work it through my hair. So I'm starting from the ends and working my way up as I take my braids down and making sure that I'm avoiding frizz and tangles. And I'm going section by section for each braid. At this point, I started to notice how fluffy my hair was, which obviously meant I was not about to have any type of hold in my hair. It was really soft hold, and as you can see, my hair already started frizzing up. If I could do this again, I would definitely have left my hair in way longer than just a night. I'm just giving you guys a close-up of what my hair looks like. As you can see, there's no cast in my hair whatsoever or flaking. Hey guys, so I decided to pop in and give you guys my review on the Cashmere and Caviar line from Curls. And well, I'm gonna tell you right now, there's a couple of things about this that I liked and I didn't like, but I'll just break it down for y'all. So these products, I don't even know where to start, because like, okay, so my hair is like super moisturized and everything. Cool. What I say, love these products? No. I like them, but I don't love them, and it's only because look at my hair. Look at my hair. Like, y'all, listen, like, bruh, my hair. Okay, so I expected this, but my hair has like some really soft hold, and I don't know how to feel about that, because that means my hair is not gonna last that long. But yeah, I really don't know how to feel. Like, bruh, like, because my hair turned out like this, I know for a fact I'm just gonna throw it up and put it in a pineapple and just let that do what it do. Like, it's not gonna last long. It'll probably last for like 2 days, but more than that, no. And I'm like, I tried separating my hair, but the more I separated it, it was just like, yeah, it's not gonna get any better. I'm telling you right now, like, it did give me some type of definition, but like, it's already like frizzy, and I took it out the right way and everything, right? Like, so this was a thumbs up and a thumbs down. Like, I can't even, I just, like, with everything I went through, like, it took forever to dry, And I think it's my fault because I put too much product in my hair, because I'm a little heavy-handed because my hair is like super thick. So I like knowing that, you know, my hair is like moisturized as heck, and I like knowing that the product's gonna work for my hair. So I put a lot, but I didn't put like a lot. And I think on this side I put more than I did on this side, which is like this side is like a little more stretched than this side. Like this side is already like super puffy. And yeah, I honestly think I took a L with this one. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Like if I were to do another style with these products, I would honestly probably do like a protective style and leave that in instead of just doing like a braid out or a twist out, because it's not going to last. I'm telling you, this will probably last me like 2 days, and after that I'm roped and I gotta do my hair again. And honestly, after like the next 2 days, I'm probably not going to wash my hair out because there's like so much moisture in my hair. I don't want it to go to waste. So I'm definitely going to do like some like cornrows or something in my hair, and then let that sit until my next wash day. But that is all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.